Stop by and take a look at the 2022 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, moonroof, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power lift gate, stability control, tire pressure monitor. Indulge in luxury and make a statement wherever you go.